You know what we love to see out here in Texas? An aesthetically pleasing, nice looking wide span, and that's what we got back here. So let's go check it out. What's going on, everybody? This is Brian with American Steel Carports. Check out this nice looking wide span right behind me. The size on this structure is going to be 40 feet wide, it's going to be 50 foot long, and it's going to have 14 tall legs. It's going to have a 412 pitch here in the middle. Looks really nice, makes the building look really tall. It's also going to notice that you have these 3 roll-up doors here on the front. The one in the middle here is going to be a 12 wide, 14 tall roll-up door. And then on either side, it's gonna have 10 feet wide by 12 foot tall. It'll look really nice, really fits this size structure. The colors that the customer got on this building is gonna be the black and the white, really a classic combination here at American Steel Carports. They did make it kind of their own here, and they added the wainscot here at the bottom with the black. Looks really nice, really matches the customer's house, aesthetically pleasing. The customer also did add the color screws on this metal building, really ties everything together. And I think that's pretty much everything for the outside. Let's go check out the inside. All right, guys, to get inside this customer's building, this customer did get a 36 by 80 inch walk-in door here on the side. You'll notice that earlier in the video, the roll-up doors that the customer got on the front do not have the latch. So the only way to get inside this structure is with the walk-in door. So let's go inside right now. All right, guys, so this is what the inside of a 40 by 50 by 14 foot tall premium wide span looks like. And you'll notice here on this leg right here that the customer did happen to get the automatic roll-up door for his roll-up door, the 12 by 14 in the center. And you can see that with just the press of the button, the automatic roll-up door starts working. It looks really easy, very quiet. You know, it's a nice addition it has. Alrighty, guys, so you'll notice on this wide span structure that the leg spacing is gonna be at 10 foot center to center. Normally on our carports and garages, they're gonna be 5 foot in center here in Texas. But wide spans are just built a little bit differently to be engineered certified at 10 feet center to center. You'll also notice that the girts along this building that come naturally on the vertical siding and the vertical ends. And then you'll notice above, the customer does have the hat channels that run the length of the structure that come on vertical buildings. Looks very nice. And this is always gonna keep your building engineer certified. Now, if you notice that the size of the trusses that this wide span has. Whenever we do a wide span building, you'll notice an extra charge on your quote, and that quote is for equipment. That equipment charge is going to be for American Steel to rent out a telescopic lift to be able to put up these massive trusses. So just know that's one more thing to keep out for whenever you are searching and looking to buy a wide span structure. Alrighty, guys, and this customer as well did get one more roll-up door here on the back of the structure. We do know that he did that so that he's able to drive in his trailers and be able to turn around and all that stuff for the convenience. Looks very nice. You'll also notice on the roll-up doors that the customer did happen to get the notch detail on his concrete. It's an added measure from American Steel Carport recommends, to prevent water and anything like that from getting inside your metal structure. I mean, that's the last thing that you want. Alrighty, guys. Also, while looking at the truss, you can see here that when you do purchase a wide span building, you'll get just a little bit more clearance on your metal structure. So that's also another thing to note when getting a wide span building. Alrighty, guys, but last look, you can see that the customer does have one of his vehicles in here already. He does have his tractor, his zero turn over here, and some tools. We do know that the customer is going to be using this metal building as a storage warehouse. So you can kind of already see what all he has in here. And he said he's going to be adding a lot more stuff. So you can kind of give an idea of what amount of storage you're gonna have when you purchase a wide span building. We always like to see nice looking buildings here on this channel and how people decide to customize them. Don't forget to share, like this video, subscribe to our channel to see even more nice looking buildings here in the future. Anyways, this has been Brian with American Steel Carports, here to answer questions and show you all that we can do so that you can get your dream metal building too.